Hello everyone, Mr. Fox here. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how I made this good looking phone stand with a laser cutter. So the first thing I did to make this phone stand was I made a 3D model using Fusion 360. First I sketched the stand from the side view and give it precise dimensions. Then I extrude the top part and make a connection cut. After that, I extrude bottom part and make a cut using the top part as a tool. The final thing I do is fillet the corners. When I'm done, I export drawings as DXF files. I use CorelDRAW to put my logo on the exported DXF for engraving. This time I chose 4mm thick plywood for this project. I do the engraving first to make sure everything looks good before I make the cut. As you can see, there are some burn marks left that I need to get rid of. It is quick and easy to do when you have the right tools. Now it looks much better. Finally, I connect the two parts and the stand is complete. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next video. Bye!